I've tried removing them with the use of creams and lotions and everything like that, but they don't help at all. Hey baby, welcome back to our channel, and for today's video, I will be sharing how I remove milia from your face. So what is milia? Milia are those white things that grow on your face. Milia are those things like that. I've tried removing them with the use of creams and lotions and everything like that, but they don't help at all. The only way that I found out that you can remove them is by removing them mechanically. So again, disclaimer first. This is going to be involving piercing your skin, so do it with caution. So the first thing that you need is alcohol and cotton buds. So just put alcohol on the cotton buds. Once it has it, just disinfect the area that you will be cleaning up. So this one, just to make sure that your area is clean. Then the next thing you need is a pin. So I'm using a pin like this. And this is very important, you're supposed to be cleaning it. So I'm gonna clean it with an alcohol solution. Make sure it's very clean because you don't want to get infected. So again, do this with caution. The thing you do it first is, for example, this is the skin. You place your pin perpendicular to the area of the skin. So you point it like that at the side of the milia. Then gently twist your pin while going at an angle. Once you're at that angle, you push it a little bit. You shouldn't feel any pain here. If you feel pain, you've gone too deep. You're only piercing the outermost layer of the skin. Twist it and keep pushing until you go under the skin. Now, once you're under the skin, you pull it. Make sure you taut your skin so that it's not as painful. Then you flick it open. Once the upper layer of your skin is already open, you have to tease out the milia. It's actually satisfying because when it comes out as a small bead. Again, this is an invasive procedure, so if you're not comfortable with doing that, it's okay, don't do it. Can you see it? So the milia is right there. So be careful not to poke your eye. I'm looking into a mirror. So what you do is put the pin at the side of the milia, put a gentle pressure on it, then twist it until it digs into the skin. Again, this shouldn't hurt. See that? I already opened the skin. Make it taut. Just tease it out. So yeah, there it is. So yeah, can you see that white bead at the end of the needle? That's the milia. So by now, you already got rid of your milia. Throw this away. Then what you do is get a disinfectant. I'm just going to be using alcohol, but you can use like betadine or povidone iodine or something. Clean the area. Then with the other side of the cotton bud, dry it out. So yeah, you got rid of your milia. Now you expose an area there and it needs repair. So what I do is put a moisturizer or anything with vitamin E in it just to help with regenerating the skin. Since I'm a Body Shop fan, I'm using this. This is the Body Shop Gel Moisture Cream and it has vitamin E, what we're looking for. Get a little bit of it. Just put it on top so that it will not leave a mark. Care for this is always keep it clean because again, this is basically an open wound. That's how you remove the milia. I've tried it with different techniques before, like using nail cutters, but the pin works the best. That's the video for today, and if you like the video, leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified when I post in the future. And if you have any suggestions of videos you want to watch or see in the future, leave a comment down below. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and bye baby. By the way, update video. This is the area that I removed my milia. So as you can see, it didn't leave a mark. So I guess the milia removal was successful.